everyone. Today we will do question number 7 of exercise 6.5 and the question is prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. A rhombus is given to us A, B, C, D. Prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. AC and BD are its diagonals. So given is rhombus ABCD and we need to prove sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus means AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square. This is sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals. So sum of the squares of the diagonal is AC square plus BD square. This thing we need to prove. Okay. And this is point O, the point of intersection of diagonal. So start with proof. First of all, we know diagonals of a rhombus. We know diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. We know diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Therefore, angle 1, 2, 3, 4. They are of 90 degree. Okay. And OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. This thing we know. Okay. Now we will apply this thing. First of all, consider triangle AOD. Angle 1 is 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras. AD square is equal to OA square plus OD square by Pythagoras. Similarly, consider triangle AOB. Angle 2 is 90 degree. Now apply Pythagoras. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square by Pythagoras. Now consider third triangle, that is BOC. Again apply Pythagoras and BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. This is equation number 1. This is 2 and again by Python. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now consider fourth triangle DOC. In triangle DOC, DC square is equal to, because angle 4 is 90 degree, therefore DC square is equal to OC square plus OD square. Again by Pythagoras. And this is equation number 4. Simply add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 by adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will add left hand side with left hand side and right hand side with right hand side. So, on the left hand side we have AD square plus AB square plus BC square plus DC square. And on the right side we have OA square plus OB square. Sorry, OA square plus OD square. Then OA square plus OB square. Then OB square plus OC square. And at last OC square plus OD square. Now you can clearly see that OA square plus OA square means 2 OA square. OB square OB square 2 OB square. OC square OC square 2 OC square. And OD square we can write 2 OD square. Okay. Now we know, but equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So we can replace OC by OA. So it becomes AD square plus AB square plus BC square plus DC square is equal to OA square we can write as such, OB square we will write as such. Now we will replace OC square by OA square. Similarly we are replacing OD square by OB square. Now you can clearly see OA square plus OA square, 4OA square, OA square plus, sorry this is OB square. OB square plus OB square, 4OB square. Now we can take it as 2OA whole square, 2OB whole square, because square of 2 is 4. Now double of OA will become AC and double of OB will become BD. So finally AD square plus AB square plus BC square plus DC square is equal to AC square plus BD square, and that was our question. Okay, so this is our question number 7. I hope you all have understood very well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.